sit down, please. Good afternoon, dear students.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Stand down, please. How are you?
I'm fine.
Who is absent today? Jean-Sébastien.
Music and the two are absent to the lesson today.
Thank you. Well, let's start our lesson. Let's check your homework. Strategy brainstorm. Mass relationship. Jean-Sébastien.
It is more
More Russian.
more
Kazakh.
it
6 point. Or 2.
to increase by 10 to the power of 23.
Thank you. What is the molecular weight of water? 18 gram. Symbolism of the Avogadro number.
It's an
Symbolism.
is
Thank you. 1 molar of sodium. Sodium. 6 point.
6.0 to increase by 10 to the power of 23.
Sodium atoms.
Moles.
23. Thank you. Let's play domino before we'll start the lesson. Come on. Thank you. Now you know what symbol is. Hangi symbol çıktı? Hangi symbol çıktı? Relative densities of gases. The law of convent Volus states that is a ratio of the different ratios gases will always hold constant. When gases combine during a chemical reaction at the fixed temperature and pressure, the ratio of the volumes are simple whole number ratio.
Any sense law of combining volumes. As illustrated here, when two volumes of hydrogen react with one volume of oxygen, two volumes of steam are formed. That is, 2H2 plus O2 is 2H2O. Thus, the combined volumes of the reactants and the volume of the product are the ratio 2:1:2. So, Gay-Lussac's law of combining volumes states that the combined volumes of gases are a simple integral ratio to one another, and the ratio can be extended to the products if they are also ratios, provided all the volumes are measured under the same conditions of temperature and pressure.
Гей-Люссак француз ғалымы газдардың тығыздығын анықтай келе, олардың өлшемдері, қатынастары бірдей екендігін не істеген? Анықтаған. Терминология. Lesson on repeat. Relative density. Салыстырмалы тығыздық. Относительная плотность. Кельвин Волмс. Көлемдік қатынас. Объемные отношения. Эксердинг. Қатысты. one. Repeat. Repeat.
Langsam führen.
Jean-Sayed. Repeat. Aim for dictation. Complete.
Okay. Where is the practice? Average 4 mass of art, 28, 28 level. Second was to calculate how many times carbon dioxide is given. Then error is
Carbon dioxide is
14
famous,
attack
famous, everywhere,
every
sun. calculation of relative density of gases. Azamat. Repeat. Mhm.
Calculate the relative density of a mole on hydrogen.
Mhm. Şurada.
Hı?
Şurada.
Okay.
Mhm. Mhm.
Calculate the relative density of a mole on hydrogen.
Mhm. Şurada.
Hı?
Şurada.
Okay.
Mhm. Times. Times. Sen. Mhm. Task 2. Calculation of relative density of gases. Azamat. Repeat. Mhm.
Calculate the relative density of a mole on hydrogen.
Mhm. recevoir. Çok taklaş. Azmat. Repeat.
Calculate the relative density of a mole on hydrogen.
Repeat.
H2 NH3 is 17. Description 2 is 8.5.
Thank you. Так. Fill in the table on the volume of gases and their relative density.
Oxygen H2 16 helium air 8 carbon dioxide and H2 22.
Thank you. Finish a lesson. A lesson. Kasabakta gittiğimiz. Thank you. Evet, yakışık boşu. Yakışık boşu. Serası gittiğimiz.
Hydrogen
One.
1 is 1.
One hydrogen. Да? One hydrogen. Two ammonia.
2 ammonia, 3
Oxygen. Oxygen.
4
Hydrogen sulfide.
5
Five.
is
Hydrogen chloric acid. Да? Thank you. You got the ration, you got within the gases and determine the volume ration. Кандай болды? Көлемді қатынастарын айтамыз. Give yourself заңына байланысты. Оң жағын сол жағын теңестіреміз.
Получается, границная волна Е плюс, выпускная потом
Кел тақтатыш.
классик.
Кел. Хомтас. Жазылғанда балалар күнделіктегі. Хомтас. Understand terms. Understand. Балалар енді өздерінің сабақтан алған әсерлерді орысша, қазақша, ағылшынша үш тілде жазыңдар.
А переводчик поможет?
Қазақша.
Нет, отлично, правда?
Very good.
Very good.
The lesson is over.